When I was God, I was the light, I was the void, the morning and night. Then I was sky, I was the rain, the deep blue ocean, the fertile plain. But I could not see me at all. Then I became stars, sun and the moon. I played the ocean a rhythmic tune. Then I was light, I drank the rain. I could feel pleasure and I could feel pain, but I could not see me at all. Then I was man, I knew what I knew. I could make words to talk with you. We talked about good, talked about bad, talked about happy, and talked about sad. But we could not explain God at all. So then I was me, making a life with my box of thoughts, the joy and the strife. Then I heard a voice deep in my heart, so take a new step and make a new start. So I faced my fears and cried all my tears and killed all the monsters between my ears. And I found I imagined it all. Yes, I found I imagined it all.
So we take a few deep breaths into the space of pure imagination, into the silence, to the internal landscape of our being. As we inhale, we raise the crown of the head high, and as we exhale, the shoulders lower, and we just relax right where we are. We are opening. We are willing, we are aware, we are present. Consciously, we slow the mind down. Becoming the observer of the thoughts and the feelings and the sensations in this moment. Noticing the breath. Noticing the stillness. With each inhale and exhale, we sense more stillness. If any thoughts arise that distract, simply notice them and return to the breath. We lean into into the stillness. Grateful in this moment to just let go. To let go of moving, let go of trying, let go of thinking. Just to let go and be. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. I am open. I am present. I am stillness.
So now I am working, trying to wake up, trying to drink from his loving cup, trying to see past this illusion, trying to be past the confusion. The truth is a whisper, born in forever. I listen in silence and try to remember. When I was God, when I was God, when I was God, when I was God.